How to add alt text to images for your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So we're going to be adding alt text to everything, including the banner images, the product images, every single thing on our Shopify store. So whatever image we add, we're going to basically add an alt text to it. Go back to your Shopify admin, and then from here, all we need to do is just click on content. From content, we want to click on files, and this is basically going to be where all the media that you actually upload to your Shopify store is going to be saved in. So for example, this is an image that I just found, which I used for the banner, but I didn't even save it. So it's going to be right over here. Same goes for this. These are basically the product images that I have. So you can just go ahead and find every single image in here. So in order to actually adjust the alt text, you simply just want to click on them one by one like so. And you're basically going to be able to find the option alt text. And you just want to add that in here. And make sure you click on save from the top right corner. So simply just go through them one by one, add the alt text to each one of them, and now it's just basically just set. It's going to have the alt text attached to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.